So we are doing a project on automatic railway gate. So our team members are Roshan Ramesh, leader, and Devshekhar Patnaik, and Nishnath Nagar. So let's start with the introduction first. So in this, railway gates are used to close off openings between railway roads when a train is passing by, and it is usually handled by humans. So there is a possibility of human errors, and because of this human error, accidents usually occur. So according to statistics, 2019, there are about 1788 accidents, and in 2018 there are about 1408 accidents in India. So let's see the objective of our project. So our main objective is to design a automatic railway gate using 8051 processor. Railway gates are opened or closed manually by a gatekeeper on receiving information from nearby station about the arrival of the train. To avoid this human intervention at the railway crossing completely, we need to automate the process of railway gate opening and closing. So let's see the some projects on this topic. The, and the author is Electronic Hub. Observation we took is circuit design for the project, and key points taken from the project is circuit design. And in this, and the second one is a research paper published on Springer. It is by B. Subramanian, A. S. Selvakumar, M. Sachithanan, and T. Sai Kumar, Anisha Radhakrishnan. So in this, we observed that they have implemented GPS, and key point taken for our project is automation of railway gates can also be, and we can also implement this by using GPS. So from this, Roshan will continue.
Yeah, so the methodology we've used is using two IR sensors. One is placed before and one is placed after the gate. As soon as an obstacle is detected in front of the IR sensor before the gate closes. And if the IR sensor detects an obstacle after the gate, it'll open again. So basically, when a train approaches the gate, the IR sensor will detect it and it'll close. This works basically um, uh, by placing an IR sensor and a receiver at the same place. And if the receiver receives an IR signal, then it means there's an obstacle. If there is no signal received, it means there's no obstacle. This is the circuit diagram of the uh, railway automatic railway gate. Here we have placed the IR sensors, and this is the microcontroller. And this is a diagram of the uh, basic idea of the project. The IR sensors kept right next to the receiver, as you can see here. And when the train passes the first sensor, the railway gate closes, and when it passes the second sensor, the railway gate opens. Next, Nishnath will continue with the hardware and software requirements.
So these are the hardwares which will be requiring for this project. We have two sections. One will be the microcontroller section, and the other will be the sensor and the load section. In microcontroller section, we will have a microcontroller unit 8089 C51 quartz crystal ceramic capacitor, electrolytic capacitor, and two registers and one program board. So now coming to the sensor and the load section, we will have two reflective type IR sensor. Um, an IR sensor is used in this project to sense the arrival and the departure of the train, and it generally comprises of two components like an IR transmitter and an IR receiver. Similarly, IR receiver is a device that detects IR rays. Photodiodes are the most commonly used IR receivers, and we will have 1k ohm registers, two 1k ohm registers, and a motor driver IC, L293D. They are used in this project to control the gate motor. L293D motor drive IC is a dual H-bridge type motor driver and is available in 16 pin dual inline package. Next. So coming to the conclusion of the project, automatic railway gate control system is a simple but very useful project which helps in automatically opening and closing the railway gate when the detection of arrival or the departure of the train happens. It is implemented with very simple hardware and it is an easily controlled system, and human intervention at level crossings can be removed with the help of this project. So many accidents can be prevented from happening.
These are the references used for the
So
project.
these are the references.
And thank you.
Thank you.